So one of the most common dish in Iftar in Ramadan are fried veggies. Let's start slicing some zucchini, then aubergine, and some potatoes. To make them nice and crispy, let's get our flour and eggs ready. Add 2 eggs. That's a real struggle, I'm telling you. Add some salt to taste. 1 cup of plain flour. Whisk, and whisk. Add some water. Don't add too much, please. Now, just follow the instructions and don't overdo it. Dip into the oil for a nice golden color. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up and not down as usual. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.